Goodnight Stories for Rebel Girls by Elena, Favilli and Francesca, Cavallo. Malala Yousafzai, activist. Once there was a girl who loved school. Her name was Malala. Malala lived in a peaceful valley in Pakistan. One day, a group of armed men called the Taliban took control of their valley. They frightened people with their guns. The Taliban forbade girls from going to school. Many people disagreed, but they thought it would be safer to keep their girls at home. Malala thought this was unfair. She wrote about it online. She loved school very much. So one day she said on TV, "Education is a power for women." The Taliban are closing girls' schools because they don't want women to be powerful. A few days later, Malala got onto a school bus as usual. Suddenly, two Taliban men stopped the bus and shouted, "Which one of you is Malala?" When her friends looked at her, the men fired their guns, hitting her in the head. Malala rushed to hospital, and she did not die. Thousands of children sent her get well cards, and she recovered faster than anyone could have imagined. They thought bullets would silence us, but they failed. She said, "Let us pick up our books and pens. They are our most powerful weapons." One child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world. Malala is the youngest person ever to receive the Nobel Peace Prize. Born July the 12th, 1997, Pakistan. When the whole world is silent, even one voice becomes powerful. That was a famous quote from Malala Yousafzai.